back to Teresa's Kitchen, you guys. Today we'll be making homemade pizza. And I already pre-cooked all of my ingredients. This is pepperoni. This is Canadian bacon, regular bacon, Conecuh sausage, and ground meat. And I season my ground meat with garlic powder, onion powder, my favorite seasoning, oregano, Italian seasoning, and Tony's. So let's get started. Okay. First thing you want to do is I melted a little butter and used parsley and garlic powder. This is for my dough. And I'm gonna get my dough. I'm gonna get my spray and spray the pan. This is to make sure the crust doesn't stick. Next, what I'm gonna do is this is the crust I'm using, the pizza crust I'm using. I'm gonna open the pizza crust. And it's already prepared. So all you have to do is roll it out on the pan. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and roll my pizza crust out on the pan. And roll it out. So I think I want to make some crust, so I'm gonna fold the sides. I'm gonna fold the sides like this on each side. I'm gonna fold it down. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the garlic powder, the parsley, and the butter, and I'm gonna brush my crust with. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna poke holes in the dough, and this is just so it won't be soggy once you do put your pizza sauce on it. So you're gonna poke holes in the dough before you put it in the oven. I'm gonna wash my hands. And I already preset my oven to 425. We're gonna cook this for 15 minutes, and we'll be back in a little bit. And I took my crust out the oven. It's a pretty golden brown. I poke holes in it so it doesn't be soggy once I put my pizza sauce on it. But we're gonna just get started. We're gonna dig into it. So first, I'm gonna add my pizza sauce to the crust. And we're just gonna smooth it out. That should be enough. Okay, next we're gonna add, well, let me smooth it out a little bit more. Okay.
That's all the pizza sauce you gonna put on there?
Well, let me add a little bit more, I guess. That's enough.
Filling them little blank spots you
Okay, that's enough pizza sauce. Okay, so next we're gonna get our ground meat, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there like this.
Sprinkle.
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 Next, we're gonna add the Kaneka sausage. And then we're gonna put our bacon. Then our Canadian bacon. I'm gonna spread it out. Okay, next we're gonna put the pepperoni. Okay, I think that's about enough. Now we're gonna add our cheese. And a lot of people think it's hard to make pizza. It's not. It's easy as 1, 2, 3 to make pizza. Okay, I think that's enough cheese. What do you think, babe? Think that's enough?
Mrs. Spot.
Okay, let me get all the little spots. Okay. Let me get over here. I'm dropping it. Okay. I think that's enough cheese. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle some oregano on top. And some parsley. And we're gonna pop that baby back in the oven for about 10 minutes. And we'll see you guys in a few minutes. Thank you. There you have it, you guys. Homemade pizza.